Hey Raj, quick question. If someone suddenly asked you to speak for 1 full minute on any random topic right now, no preparation, could you do it?
Honestly, probably not smoothly. I talk for like 15 seconds and then just run out of things to say.
That's such a common problem. And that's exactly today's lesson. Lesson 35 Speak for 1 minute in English. We're going to give you a simple formula that works for almost any topic.
Okay, I definitely need this. 1 minute sounds short, but it actually feels really long when you're the one talking.
It really does. But here's the good news there's a simple three-part structure that makes filling 1 minute so much easier. Opening line, two or three supporting points, and a closing line.
Okay, break that down for me.
Sure, the opening line just introduces your topic clearly. The supporting points are two or three small ideas or examples related to it. And the closing line wraps it up, often with your opinion or a final thought.
That actually sounds manageable. Can we try it together?
Let's do it. I'll go first so you can see the structure in action. My topic, my favorite hobby.
Okay, go for it. I'll time you.
My favorite hobby is definitely painting. I started a few years ago just as a way to relax after work, and I've genuinely loved it ever since. First, it helps me disconnect from screens and just focus on something creative with my hands. Second, I love how every painting turns out differently, even when I'm trying to copy something exact. And honestly, even if my paintings aren't perfect, the process itself is what I enjoy the most. I definitely recommend picking up a hobby like this to anyone who needs a break from a busy routine.
That was exactly 1 minute. And I could clearly hear the structure: opening, then 2 points, then a closing opinion.
Exactly. Notice, I didn't need to memorize anything. I just followed the structure and let the words come naturally.
Okay, let me try one now. Give me a topic.
Your topic. A place you'd love to visit.
A place I'd love to visit is Japan. First, I'm really fascinated by the mix of traditional culture and modern technology living side by side there. Second, I've heard the food is absolutely incredible, and I'd love to try authentic ramen and sushi. I also think the cherry blossom season looks absolutely beautiful in photos. Honestly, if I ever get the chance, I would love to spend at least 2 weeks exploring different cities there.
Raj, that was so smooth and right around 1 minute too.
Really? I actually followed the structure without even realizing how naturally it flowed.
That's the power of having a simple formula. You stop worrying about what to say and just focus on filling the structure.
Okay, this feels really doable now. Can we do a couple more rounds? Maybe faster this time?
Let's do it, quick fire style. I'll give topics, we alternate. Ready?
Ready.
Your topic, your dream job.
My dream job would be something in content creation, actually, similar to what I do now. First, I love that it combines creativity with helping people learn something useful. Second, no single day feels the same, which keeps things exciting. And honestly, getting messages from people saying a lesson actually helped them, that's genuinely the best part of it.
Perfect. Right on time again. My turn. Topic. A skill you want to learn.
Your topic.
A skill I'd love to learn is playing the guitar. First, I've always admired people who can just pick up an instrument and play something beautiful. Second, I think learning music would be a nice break from all the talking we do here every day. And honestly, I think it would be a fun, relaxing hobby to have alongside everything else.
Also perfectly timed. Okay, this structure genuinely works every single time.
Exactly. And that's the whole point. Once you internalize this pattern, 1 minute stops feeling scary at all.
Let's do one more round, but this time give me a slightly harder, more abstract topic.
Okay, let's try why mistakes are important.
Mistakes are important because they're honestly the fastest way to actually learn something. First, when you make a mistake, you remember the correct way much better than if someone just told you directly. Second, Mistakes force you to slow down and actually understand why something went wrong, not just memorize the answer. And honestly, some of my biggest improvements, especially with English, came directly from mistakes I made and then corrected.
Wow, Raj, that was such a thoughtful answer, even for a more abstract topic.
Honestly, once you have the structure, even harder topics feel manageable because you're not starting from nothing.
Exactly. That structure works as a safety net for almost any topic, easy or difficult. So, friends, let's summarize the formula. 1. A clear opening line introducing your topic. 2. 2 or 3 supporting points or examples. 3. A closing line with your opinion or final thought.
Simple, but honestly so effective based on what we just did.
Now it's your turn, friends. Pause the video. Pick any topic. Your favorite food, your weekend, your dream vacation. And try speaking for 1 full minute using this exact structure.
Comment below and tell us which topic you tried and how long you actually managed to speak.
We'd love to know if you hit the 1 minute mark on your first try.
If this lesson helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep bringing more practical speaking challenges like this.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye! And Raj, 1 minute on why you're always late. Go!
Okay, that's unfair, and also not enough time to explain that one.
Bye, everyone!